Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can delete user from Windows 10 computer. So if you have a user which is created on your Windows 10 computer, and if you want to delete that account, then I'll show you step by step how you can do that. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for new upcoming videos notification. Let us start now. So suppose this is your Windows 10 computer, and in fact this is Windows 10, and if you want to delete uh, created users that are inactive or that are not in use, so you need to right click on the this PC icon here on the desktop, or if this PC icon is not on the desktop, you can type here this. Yes, then right click, go to the manage. Here you can see the local user and groups. You need to click on this, go to the users, double click, and here you can see the user accounts are like administrator and guest is disabled, default account, IT user, UK, and other. So suppose if you want to delete this user IT user account, then you need to right click on this, select delete, and click to yes. Before going to click yes, I want to show you another method. Just you need to open run window and R key. You need to press, then run will be opened. Otherwise, you can type here run. Yes, open run, and you need to type here the same, like lusrmgr.msc, and okay. Then you can see the same window is directly opened. Users, you can see all users are here and all users are here, the same user and groups windows opened. So in this way you can open the same window also. Let me close this and click to yes. You can see the IT user account is deleted now. So in this way you can delete user from your Windows computer, Windows 10 computer. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please like, share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.